Hi, I'm Julie, and this is a series of general biology videos talking about cell division with mitosis and then also with meiosis. Okay, let's get started. So let's first talk about, let me get my pen here, let's see, cell division and life cycle. So life cycle, let's say, of a human. So let's put in our human. You get the right color. Okay, so, and let's make a girl. And she has brown eyes. And how about some red hair? And a very nice smile. Oops, that is a smile. Okay, so her life cycle. There are many processes that happen throughout somebody's life. We want to talk about just a few. We would like to talk about a process that produces sex cells, also called gametes. And here is an egg that our female produced. And another type of gamete is a sperm produced by the male. So this is cell division. We are talking about, whoops, let me get the right letter here. Let's see. Okay. We are talking about cell division. To be able to make gametes from a parent cell. Then the combination of two gametes, an egg and a sperm, then lead to a zygote. Then the process of going from a zygote to a multicellular organism like a human adult is also cell division. And the product so we want a cell division that produces somatic cells. Somatic cells are pretty much all other cells except for the gametes, the sex cells, the eggs and the sperm. Okay, so this cell division includes a process called mitosis. And this process over here includes a process called meiosis. So this is a cell division with meiosis, and this is cell division with mitosis. This process right here, combining the egg and sperm, 2 gametes, leading to a zygote. That is fertilization. So this is our life cycle that we want to talk about. And we want to talk about these 2 different processes, meiosis and mitosis, and a little bit about fertilization. Okay, so we're producing somatic cells in cell division with mitosis. We want to produce, let me get my white pen here, identical daughter cells. These identical daughter cells have the same number and amount of DNA. So our human right here, she has 46 chromosomes. This is called diploid. She is a diploid creature with diploid cells. And that means that she has 2 sets of chromosomes, a set from her mother and a set from her father. So the set that she got from the mother, she got 23, and she got 23 from her father. So she gets a total of 46 chromosomes. So every cell in her body, except for the sex cells, the gametes, has 46, all the somatic cells, they're all diploid and they all have 46 chromosomes. So when you go through mitosis, the cells that go through mitosis, they want to be identical. You want to have 46 chromosomes in each one. So you have a full complement of chromosomes. Okay. Over here, cell division with meiosis, you want unique daughter cells. You also want half the number of chromosomes. The reason why is you want to make a gamete that has half of 46, which is 23. And the male makes a sperm that has half, which is 23. So that when they combine, you get a total of 46, a diploid. So these are considered, half the number of chromosomes is considered a haploid cell. Let's put that in. Haploid cell. Okay, so over here, cell division with mitosis is considered a, oops, there's an E in there, sexual reproduction. And cell division with meiosis is considered sexual reproduction. Okay, So I think that's everything. Look at my notes. We have mitosis produces somatic cells, identical daughter cells, full complement of chromosomes. Meiosis produces sex cells or gametes with unique daughter cells and half the number of chromosomes. Okay, so let's see. Why do we want to do this? Well, we've already talked about one. Mitosis is to grow. So let's take a look at this. For cell division with mitosis, you want to produce daughter cells that are exactly alike. So to grow, so that zygote could grow into a multicellular organism. You want to reproduce cell division. You want to divide the cell membrane. You want to divide the mitochondria, the endoplasmic reticulum, the centrioles. You want to have the same number of each in both daughter cells. So here we're talking about cell division again. And mitosis is nuclear division. So cell division is dividing the whole cell, all the organelles. Mitosis is just talking about nuclear division. Just the process of dividing the nucleus and the DNA inside. And that's mainly what we're going to be talking about, is this process of mitosis and nuclear division. So we've mentioned that one reason why we have cell division with mitosis is growth. Another is, so we've got growth. Another is to replace damaged cells. Like this lizard has lost its tail, so it will regrow that tail through mitosis. This sea star has lost, actually it looks like it's lost most of its body. All that was left was an arm, but it will regrow those 4 arms through mitosis, cell division with mitosis, so that every cell is exactly identical to the parent cell. What else? We also want to replace cells that we've lost. So, for instance, this is skin cells. And what you're seeing right here, just to orient you, this is your outer skin that gets sloughed off, and this is the inner cell. So this is the epidermis, and then we've got the dermis, and then below that is the hypodermis. These skin cells will get sloughed off, but they're replaced with the cells in this line right here that are going through mitosis and making new cells, identical cells, to replace the ones that are being sloughed off. So I've heard that most of the dust in your house is made up of these skin cells that have been sloughed off. Okay, so next we're going to talk more about the details of mitosis. I hope you found that interesting.